Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Learn with Ravi. In today's session, we shall learn about the concept of clocks. What is a clock? What are the different models present in clocks and what are the different approaches of solving the problems of clock? Let us see them in detail. So let us start with the basic question, what is a clock? What is a clock? So you find clocks in many shapes, but generally a clock will refer to a circular object and we call it as an analog clock. So an analog clock is basically a circular object and it is used for displaying time, isn't it? Why we use a clock? We use a clock to see time, as simple as it. Now there are different studies on clocks and that study is basically called as horology. The study of clocks is known as horology. Now let us get back to the basic things. What does a clock contain? So basically a clock contains three hands. The hour's hand, the minute's hand and seconds hand. Isn't it? The hour's hand, minute's hand and the seconds hand. Now we all know that a clock is circular in shape and clock is meant to display time, and even a school kid will give you a word saying that we find three hands, an hour hand, a minute hand, a second hand. But in the concept of clocks, the problems are basically meant on the hour's hand and the minute's hand only. As a clock is a circular object, in a circle the total angle is 360 degrees, first point, and we observe that the clock is divided into 12 equal divisions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 can also be called as 0 sometimes, so 0 to 11 or 1 to 12. So you have 12 equal divisions. So when we have 12 equal divisions and the total angle is 360 degrees, now the angle made between any two consecutive divisions is 360 degrees by 12, that is 30 degrees. In the figure you observe that the angle between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5 and so on, the angle between any two consecutive divisions would be 30 degrees. Now let us see the angle concept. Now in the clock I spoke that we have hours hand, minutes and second hand. Now let us speak about the angles made by the hours hand in the clock. So generally when you say one rotation of the hours hand, it is equal to 360 degrees. Clear with that? Now let us speak about the angles made by the hours hand. So in one rotation, if it is 360 degrees, it means that 12 hour spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. In 12 hour spaces, the total angle is 360 degrees. Now common sense says, if 12 hour spaces is 360 degrees, the angle made by the hour hand in 1 hour space is 30 degrees. Isn't it? So the angle made by the hour's hand in 1 hour space is 30 degrees. And moving ahead, as 1 hour is 60 minutes, the angle made by the hour's hand in 1 minute space is 30 degrees upon 60, that is half degree. So we use this in our problem solving techniques. So please keep in mind, the angle made by the hour's hand in 1 hour space is 30 degrees, whereas the angle made by the hour's hand in 1 minute space is half degree. So please keep these 2 points in your brain because we will be using them in plenty in solving. Now going ahead to the minute's hand. If a minute hand moves for one complete rotation, we call it as 60 minutes, 1 hour, isn't it? Now the angle made by the minute's hand. Now the angle made by the minute's hand in one rotation or 60 minutes is 360 degrees. Clear? So if the minute hand moves for one rotation, the total angle is a circle angle which is 360 degrees. Now the angle made by the minute hand in 1 minute would be 360 degrees upon 60, that is 6 degrees. So please keep in mind, the angle made by the minute's hand in 1 minute space is how much? Is 6 degrees. So please mention it in detail. Now coming to seconds hand, there are no questions asked in second hand, but for the sake of clarity, I want to give you a point. So the rotation made by the second hand, when it makes one rotation, we call it as 60 seconds or 1 minute. So angle made by the second hand in one rotation is nothing but 360 degrees. So to be clear, we need to have 3 points in brain. The first point is the angle made by the hour's hand in 1 hour space is 30 degrees. The angle made by the hour's hand in 1 minute space is half degree. And the angle made by the minute hand in 1 minute space is 6 degrees. So these 3 points should be kept in mind. Clear with that? Now, going ahead. Now, what are the different types of models people ask in clock? The first model is finding the mirror image. For a given time, you will be questioned about the mirror image of that time. And model 2 will be about finding the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand at a given time. For example, at 3:51, what is the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand? So we call it as finding the angle between the hands at a given time. And third one is finding the time at a given angle. For example, if it says if the angle is 90 degrees between 3 and 4, what is the exact time you can have? So if the angle is degrees 180 between 6 and 7, what is the time between 6 and 7 when the angle between two hands is degrees 180? Clear. Now going ahead, the fourth model is we have questions on clocks gaining or losing time. In the next session, let us work with all the different types of models found in clocks, and that's for now. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.